goes Fernando Alonso. That famous message all those years ago. All the time you have to leave a space.
A reason why Sam give it first manager.
They're still pushing out warning penalties. Lewis, the car is bad, we know. He's driving.
For Max so far. It is going to be such fine margins. He's chasing his 9th pole of this circuit. Hamilton going for it. He's done it. He's done it at the last. Lewis Hamilton has a 9th pole position at the Hungarian Grand Prix. And he beat Max Verstappen by 3,000.
Gets in there, Lewis. That's P1, mate. Beautiful work. Top man.
Gets in there. Let's go, boys. Oh man, this is so good.
Hamilton, the hero in Hungary, once again. Hamilton going for the move on Alonso at the 130. These two race side by side. And Hamilton got the launch off the line, goes around the outside to his teammate. Lewis Hamilton turns into George Russell and the Mercedes collide. Place in the Grand Prix. Can Hamilton dive to the inside? Oh, late move from Lando Norris to go to the inside. You can make one move. It was decisive. Hamilton tries to fight his way by, and will he get ahead? Progress that Norris has made so far in the race has been undone. As side by side here, Hamilton to the inside, Hamilton to second position. Comes Lewis Hamilton with the fastest lap on the 71st and last tour to take another podium.
These guys are amazing.
That does sound like Hamilton. Yeah, he is really in a bad way here with this puncture.
Ahead of the Alfa Romeo, ahead of the Mercedes.
Second quickest car last lap. You're quick.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Real contest this time.
Yeah, he just breaks us a bit.